One question. What is different between a PV cable and a battery cable? Now you guys have the DC cable, AC cable, this different between yes, that okay. Similarity between them. Now you hear the band. Okay, now you select. Okay, select.
Are you the select?
Difference between a PV cable and a battery cable.
Okay, for me, they
Okay, now you see that was
they are both stranded cable.
good.
So, for your battery, when you are sizing for your PV,
Okay.
you can use smaller size of cable, depending on the numbers of panels that you are using.
Okay.
Then your battery cable, because of the amp required for charging and discharging, it should be bigger than every other thing. You should not go and use, where you're supposed to use 6 mm, you not go and use 10 mm battery cable. Become cost.
Okay, it's one of it. Okay. Actually, I'm learning from you. Please say I started the answer. You guys are one should
If you get a more, give am something now.
The difference between the cable and the DC is
Maybe AC o.
battery and PV cable.
battery and PV cable.
Yes.
Okay, battery cable are the sticker. Thank you for the it's more thicker than PV. If for example you are using an 8 mm cable for your what's it called, your panels, the cable is used for your
Continue.
Google.
the one